My life has taken a path that I didn't expect it to. 15 years ago, I got married. It was arranged. I truly believed that if I was the perfect wife and strove to be as perfect a Muslim as I could, that would somehow guarantee me a wonderful marriage and a perfect life. My marriage turned out to be a very unhealthy situation. I remember so many nights where I would wait for my ex-husband to fall asleep and I would go downstairs and I would just cry and I would pray for God to save me from that situation. Ultimately, I did get a divorce. It was obviously with many obstacles. Going through that inspired me to go to law school so that I could be the attorney that I know that I needed at that time. And it's for that reason that I have dedicated my entire practice to family and matrimonial law. My personal experience makes me a better attorney because I understand what my clients are going through. I know the fear and the uncertainty. I know the law, but also I know when they need that emotional support. It's easy for my clients from within the Muslim community to connect with me because I understand them, I understand the families they're coming from, I understand the dynamics and how they play out, not only during the course of their marriage, but also throughout the divorce proceedings.
I was in an unwanted relationship. I was depressed. Divorce is not acceptable in our community. I could hire somebody from different culture, but they would never understand how we treat divorce or how we treat girls in our culture. When I hired Amina, I felt a lot better. As a Muslim, the one thing that she said, stay truthful, there's Allah and He will help you.
We get to learn about ourselves as we go through different scenarios in life. There's nobody that gets married thinking they're going to get divorced. However, it can be the start of a new chapter, as it was for me. The life that I have now is something that I never could have envisioned in those days when I was struggling to get a divorce and I felt so trapped. And that's what I'd like to see for my clients. I'd like to see them flourish and be happy. At the Law Office of Amina Rashad, I am fully invested in your case because I've been where you are and I want to help you get to the other side.